welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haleigh and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing this look right here. It took me about 10 minutes, actually like 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Super easy, super quick makeup tutorial that any girl can do when you're late, need to go out the door in a hurry, whatever. Super easy, so if you want to see how I got this look in 9 minutes and 30 seconds, then please keep watching. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and put on our timer. We're going to do stopwatch, so I'm going to go ahead and start that, and we're just going to go. This is what I pretty much do every morning because sleep is important to me. And I'm not going to take time to explain the products. I will put what products I use in the video in the description bar like I always do. But as far as this goes, I'm just going to quickly do my makeup to show you real time how long it takes me without speeding up the video. We're just going to put this everywhere. This is what I do every morning. So, I swear, because I wake up late every day. And whenever I do sorry, I just lost my train of thought. Whenever I do this makeup, I always make sure that I use the biggest tools for blending so that I'm doing it really quick. If you guys are hearing that in the background, that is my dog. He's licking and biting. I just gave him a bath, so. And this is what I meant by big tools when I'm blending. This is a foundation brush, but it takes me like 2 seconds. Bane. Okay, next is powder. Oh gosh. And I swear to you, this is what I do every day because I'm late to my job just about every day. Because I choose sleep over most everything in my life. So next is eyebrows. So we're going to go ahead and do eyebrows really fast. And eyebrows is where you start gaining time a lot. Hopefully those look good. Not bad, whatever. So we're at 4 minutes 23. You guys, I have a real problem in my life right now, and it is called Scandal. You guys, I cannot stop watching Scandal. I don't know what it is about this show. I'm addicted. I cannot stop watching. It's really a problem. Like, I think I'm on the 3rd season. I'm on the 3rd season, and I've only been watching it since Sunday. That's my life right now. So now moving quickly onto bronzer. And we're just gonna take this on the lid to eliminate all that concealer that we put on there, because we don't want to have really white eyebrow or white eyelids. Oops. Our highlight just fell, and I really hope it didn't break. Okay, so now we're going to do highlight, and even though this is like a fast tutorial, I do have 2 highlights because, and there's our phone. Whatever. Okay, what's next? Eyelashes. Oh yay, we got it all over our lid. That's cute. What time are we at? We're at 7 minutes. I don't know if that's backwards, but whatever. I love that I make the most unattractive face whenever I do that. Okay, the extra on our eyelids is nothing that we need to worry about. So we're going to go ahead and line our lips. Freaking out, guys. All we need is setting spray and we are done. We are at 9 minutes and 26 seconds. We beat 10 minutes. Easy 10-minute makeup tutorial. Super easy, super quick. Anyone can do it with any type of products. So that is it for today's video. If you guys like me, if you guys like this video, then please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!